Yo, what's up, guys? It's Michael here, and close it. Anyway, here's someone right here. But just today, me and Mom decided to cook some. We're gonna cook some steak. So what we did, those are snacks. We made a homemade grill. Like seriously, that right there, that's a homemade grill. I don't know how we made it, but that's the homemade grill. Oh, there's my mom. Oh.
My cigarettes are in there on the couch.
Hey, Mom, this is family friendly. Oh, by the way, say hi.
Hi. Never mind how dirty I am.
Yeah. That's my mom.
I had one shower today.
Yeah, I'm only 8, so I still got a little.
Oh shit! I forgot that piece of wood I just.
Mom, they can hear you.
You started over.
No. So don't demonetize me, YouTube, because Mom does that all the time, and she didn't really mean to. She didn't catch that. She was Now where are they? Oh, sorry guys for yelling, but I have to get my mom. Tell me where they are. Let me ask her. Mom, where the heck are they? Where the heck are they? Where the heck are they?
In there on the couch.
Okay. Why I keep...
The left seat. One on this side.
Okay. Ouch. Hold on, guys. I just got stabbed in the foot with something. I'm on the ground. I hope I'm not bleeding. Ow. It's just... Oh, so I shouldn't be bleeding. Oh, I gotta check something. Someone text my mother. I gotta check. Gloves, see, they're on this. Well, I can't. That's telling my mom I still can't find. I can't find them. I can't find them.
They're laying in there somewhere.
I looked. Oh yeah, right there's the homemade grill. But yeah, that's the homemade grill. But yeah, you're gonna see my mom some wood splitting action. My mom gets ready to split it right there. Ready for some wood splitting action, guys? Are you ready for some wood splitting, Mom?
Yeah. If I can get it to stand up there for me.
Ready? What bang! Well, that wood's gonna feel that tomorrow. Hey, Mom. Can you try not to cuss next video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just stop that one and I won't cuss. That way it's YouTube.
Friendly.
Yeah. Oh.
I alert I sometimes alert them. I sometimes do a disclaimer.
I need that.
Who? This?
Oh, yeah.
Here.
It's got to be cut crap.
Yeah. Here. Well, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I'll make the next video when we're ready. When we make the grill. When we get grill ready. So, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you never miss a video. And peace.